it's definitely is something to take note of, because this is definitely not normal. And they're in order. They're not scattered. They're all staying close together, and it seems like they're on an assignment, and they know something. So therefore, they stand together, and this is definitely something to take account of, and to think about, and pay attention to. It's definitely the signs of the times. My grandmother once told me years and years ago that Victorville, the high desert area, may have beachfront property one day due to an earthquake, due to the fault line in the 15 freeway. And I always take a note of that. When I come up the hill, it says we 4,000 feet above sea level. So, the seagulls are here. So I guess we'll just pay attention to the signs of the times, and just, wish and hope for the best. That's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and they definitely don't, they're not over here eating and causing a mess like the crows do. The crows they stay in the dumpsters, and they pretty much monitor the parking lot as far as anything over here eating.